Hello, Danny Preston. When Elvis first started in 1953, when he cut his first demo at Memphis Recording Studios, Memphis Recording Services, for $4, he got to cut two songs. He was thought out as a runner when he did a song called My Happiness, which is one of her favorite songs. Another song he did, a song called That's When Your Heart Hurts. When Elvis first started off, I thought he was going to be a ballad singer. You know, love songs, slow songs. And then dreamed he was going to be the king of rock and roll. So I don't know if I can do this song. I like the lyrics here. Let me try to do it for you. If you like it, and goes like yes. A young Elvis, 18 years old. If you find your sweetheart in the arms of the moon, that's when your heart aches begin. When dreams of a lifetime must come to an end, that's when your heartaches begin. Love is a thing that you never take shape. 'Cause when you bring a friend, he'll say to you, love thing. That's the of your sweetheart. That's the end of you free. Years left, making your heartaches begin. If you find yourself in the arms of your best friend, that's when your heartaches begin. For dreams of a lifetime was coming to an end. That's when your heartaches begin. Ooh, yeah. For you see, love is a thing that you never miss. For love is a thing that you never can see. 'Cause when you bring a friend into your love affair, that's the of your sweetheart, that's the end of your free. Years left, when your heartaches begin. God bless you.